everyone. So today is my first day of YouTube, of my YouTube account channel. So I'm going to be showing you how to use Visual Studio Code and make,
By the way, guys,
files,
my
and show
name
you how to
is
make
the
a simple text
PC Kid, so
thing,
you
plain
should follow
text
up.
thing. So you should have Visual Studio Code installed. Then you can see my a portion. Now you can see all of my HTML file. So here's my HTML code. So this is what I use to make what I'm gonna show you. So this is how it looks like. So let me just go around, so you can read if you want. So here's my first logo, but it's not gonna really show because I made these other things that will make it green and it won't show. So here's the debug, here's the extensions manager. I have all of these extensions installed. Now let me go back to my file viewer, then let me go to my JavaScript file. So you can see you can see that I made my console.log. So it says testing, then it puts 3 full stops at the end. So now let me write something else. So but it still shows testing, so which means we didn't save our file. So I'm just gonna go to file, at the top left corner, file, save. So I use code runner to run this code. So here it says, so you can start making your index.html code and your other files after it. And you can also use Node.js to run JavaScript code. So you can install it on your computer, and it's called Node.js. So let me just show you how it looks like. So let me just type in Node.js. Node.js. So that's how it looks like. So I'm just gonna run without debugging using Node.js. So it should come, yeah. So that's how it looks like when you use Node.js on Visual Studio Code to run JavaScript code. So let me come back to my index.html file. It doesn't run HTML files. Node.js does not run HTML files. So we have, so I'll go to the extensions manager. So let me go to it. I have a bunch of extensions like live server and other ones like ESLint, Jupyter, and others. So I'm going to run this code using live server. So I use live server basically for all of my HTML files. So let's see what it shows us. So it says, hello users, welcome to plain text. You can type anything you want. You can type what you want down below. Then it shows a button just at the side of it saying press me. So we're going to listen to music to pass the time. There are going to be 2 music records, so we're gonna use it to pass the time. So anytime the music should start. By the way, guys, the PC kit stands for the programming coding kit, so click the surprise button. So guys, I'm going to quickly open my other HTML for file something. So it was red, now the testing lines are black and the buttons are now blue or purple, or, yeah, the blue. So I'm gonna put on the music again so we can pass the time.
Summer in the hills, those hazy days I do remember. We were running still, had the whole world at our feet, watching seasons change. Our roads were lined with adventure, mountains in the way couldn't keep us from the sea.
So you have to guess if it's HTML, Java, JavaScript. You must click which button goes with the programming language. So enjoy. We put exclamation marks, shift 111 space, then a colon and an ending bracket. Oops, ending bracket. So enjoy. So you can make this for your friends, just to like ask them if this, what programming language is it, how you can improve yourself or improve them by knowing the programming language. But this is just only a few lines of code, so if you know what I mean. So let me just type console.log log parentheses. I forgot the quotation marks. No, shift quotation marks. Hello world. Quotation marks, then bracket, then semicolon, then so we can go and run this code. So I press the, so this is what it says. So it's written in red, so you can just press the button of what programming language it is. So just gonna don't forget to hit the subscribe button, which is JS. So no, JavaScript is not to be confused with Java. They're two different languages. So let me just press JavaScript over and over. It doesn't do anything because it's a beginner code.